guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't done a proper sit down makeup tutorial in a while. But I figured Eid is coming up and you guys seem to really like my previous Eid tutorials. So today's video is on how to create this makeup look, which I think would be perfect for Eid. We have really bold eyes and brows. FYI, I'm not really feeling these brows. Hopefully you guys do a better job with the eyebrows than I did. But I love the bold eye makeup, and then we have a nude lip. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I've gone ahead and stuck down some sticky tape because you all know I can't do winged eyeliner to save my life without tape. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with the Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite, my favorite. So I'm just gonna color in my eyelid with this, basically. Beautiful. And then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend that out so it's nice and even. So I just got the new Tarte Young Wild and Cruelty free palette, so I thought we could use it today. It's really hard to show emotion with tape on my eyes. But I'm very excited. This palette looks so beautiful. And I love this packaging. I'm gonna start off with the shade Toucan Do It. This beautiful orange matte shade in the corner and the side here. And I'm just taking that on a Sigma E40 brush, blending out the creasing from that primer, and then putting this into my crease. So I'm just sort of tapping it on first so that it sticks to the primer, and then blending it. This palette smells good. It kind of smells like the chocolate bar palette. Am I imagining that? Does anyone else have this palette? Does yours smell like the chocolate bar palette? Oh, also, if you guys notice paint on my hands, that's because I'm currently working on a video for my craft channel at the moment. Now I'm just gonna switch to a smaller blending brush. This is the Sigma E25, and I'm gonna go in with No Fox Given. I love that name. Which is this reddish orange next to the orange shade we just used. And I'm gonna blend this into my crease and the outer corner of my eyelid as well. Just to add a little more depth to our crease. Just bring it onto that outer corner. In other news, Ripley the cat has finally settled into my apartment. No more vomit or peeing on the carpet. She's a good cat now. She might pop in later. I think she's asleep under my bed at the moment. Now I'm just gonna lightly dip my brush into Bare Necessities, which is this dark matte brown, and just use it to darken up my outer V. I'm kind of tempted to turn this into a half cut crease, but I feel like that's all I ever do when I do makeup these days. So I'm gonna try and not do that. Maybe like a little bit, but we'll blend it. We'll see how it goes. So next I'm gonna take Monkey Business, which is this beautiful yellow gold shade. And I'm just gonna pat that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Pat that onto my eyelid and blend it into the orange shades. This makeup is looking very fiery. I like it. I didn't really know what I was doing when I sat down to film this, so I'm just sort of going with the flow, you know? Then for the inner lid area, I'm gonna take Swan Song, which is this beautiful white shimmer shade. I'm just going to pat that on. Oh, this look is reminding me of Lion King. Haven't seen the new one yet. Really, really want to though. I am really happy with how this is looking. Now I'm gonna take my liquid liner, the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner, and do some winged liner and hope with all my might that I do not ruin my eyeshadow. I think they're even-ish. But before we take off the tape, I am going to stick on some false lashes. And before I stick on false lashes, getting way too ahead of myself, I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. It is my favorite mascara when I'm wearing false lashes. Then the lashes I'm going to use are the Ardell Double Up Double Demi W's. I love these ones. Okay, lashes are on. Now the moment of truth. Take off this tape. This this eye turned out pretty good. I think I need to fix up this eye a little bit. So now I'm gonna jump off camera and do my foundation and concealer because I'm filming them for another video. Spoiler alert, I'm using the new Stay Naked foundation and concealer by Urban Decay. If you wanna see my opinion on them, then definitely keep an eye out for that video. Now I'll be right back. And I'm back. Foundation and concealer are done. I also set them with, where'd my powder go? Oh, there it is. So I set the concealer with the Too Faced Banana Powder and my foundation with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. Now the foundation and concealer are slightly too light for me. I did darken them up a bit with the powder, but now we're gonna go in with bronzer. So I'm gonna go a little heavy on the bronzer. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Jouer Duo in light to medium. So this is Sunlight and this is Suntan, maybe? I feel like this one's Sunlight and this one's Suntan. Who knows? Either way, I'm going to go in with this shade and bronze up my face. So I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones. Looking better already. Jaw. And my forehead. I'm also going to apply some down the sides of my nose as well. Now for blush, I'm going to use this one by Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in 25. So I'm just going to pull that weird smiley face and put this on my cheeks and blend it up. I'm feeling very matte right now, so for highlighter, I'm going to use the ColourPop Flexitarian highlighter. This is super shimmery and beautiful. So I'm just going to take a bit on a Sigma F03 brush and work this onto the high points of my face. And down the center of my face as well. Now let's finish off our eyes. I'm going to grab that palette again and I'm going to take that Toucan Do It. Silly. And I'm just going to blend this into my lower lash line and just really smoke it out. I'm actually feeling like a turquoise lower lash line and hopefully this will help blend it out. It does actually look really pretty just like this. So for the turquoise color, I recently got this. This is the Mecca Zoom Shadow Stick in teal. Let's put it on our eyes. So I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. And before it dries, smoke it out. I'm also going to put some of this in my waterline. Now to really make that color pop, I'm going to go over the top of it with Totally, this beautiful teal shade. And I'm running out of clean pencil brushes. Just going to pat this on top with a pencil brush. Then I'm just going to go back in with Swan Song to brighten up my inner corner. And to finish our eyes, we just want to add a coat of mascara to our bottom eyelashes. What kind of brows do I want to go for today? Do I want like the really bold eyebrows? Let's do it. I'm suddenly tall. I need to be able to see what I'm doing for this part. So for my brows, I'm just going to use the Sigma Define and Pose Dark Brown Brow Pomade. So to set my brows, I'm just going to use my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. How could I forget that? I've been using this for years. I've been growing my eyebrows out so they're like really big now and I feel like these eyebrows do not suit me. Did I just do like a really terrible job on them and that's why I think they look bad? Look at how big my eyebrows are. Ah. Okay. Time for lips. I'm feeling a nude lip with this look. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips with my Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment. And I've really been enjoying this Pat McGrath tinted lip balm lately. This is the Glow Up Sheer Color Balm. It's like a Your Lip color but better and it's super hydrating. And no, I can't use setting spray because I'm testing out a foundation. So here we have the finished look. I'm really happy with it except for maybe my eyebrows. Maybe I'm just not used to having giant eyebrows these days. But I think the eyeshadow turned out so well. It's so bold and beautiful. And I think it'd look really pretty with a hijab headscarf as well. And a lipstick on my teeth. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have an amazing time at Eid or wherever you're wearing this makeup look too. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!